Kaiwai music, a tribute to all mothers. Before I saw the morning light, you carried me through every night. You gave me strength before I knew the world outside, the battles too. You worked the land, you faced the tide with quiet courage deep inside. No spotlight on the things you do, but every step I follow you. You never asked for praise or fame, still you gave everything the same. A silent hero, strong and true. Everything I am comes from you. Oh Mom, your sacrifice I see. You gave your life so I could be. Through every storm, through every pain, you stood like shelter in the rain. From this shores to distant lands, you built this world with tired hands. Oh Mom, your love remains forever strong, forever gains. Some rise before the breaking dawn, still working hard till day is gone. In kitchens, fields and busy streets, you turn the struggle into peace. You hide your tears, you hide your fear, but still